If you are watching our video for the first time, click the subscribe button for more interesting videos and click the bell icon to receive instant notification whenever we upload a new video. Hi, in this video we are going to see a simple design with tube bits. I am using a cotton thread. Stitch the tube bits according to the shape. You can use any color of tube bits contrast to your dress material. Give a chain according to the side and start the next line. Reduce the tube bits according to the shape. So this one, after giving the outline also you can stitch the tube bits inside, or after stitching the tube bits also you can give the outline. So lock it, after completing lock it in one side and do the same for other side also. I have done the other side also. Now I am giving the outline with the tube bits, with the golden beads. First, after giving the golden beads also you can stitch the tube beads inside. Make a knot in the end. So the design is completed now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you. Have a good day.